Mitch from sunny Florida. I want to share with you something I've been using lately. These are the micro receivers, servo combinations that you get with a lot of the Park Zone aircraft or micro aircraft. And to replace these things, they cost about $50, $50 to $60 on eBay. They have two linear servos mounted on them, and also ports for your aileron servos. And they have a built-in escapement for your brush motor. Okay, they weigh about 4 to 5 grams. Now, what I found to replace that is a WL Toys 949 receiver. This comes out of their popular little Cessna type aircraft. These things only go for about $11 to $13 on eBay. You can buy them from AliExpress for $11 with free shipping. Okay, they have two built-in digital servos. Now, one thing about them, they weigh a little bit more. They weigh about 9 grams. The whole assembly weighs about 9 grams. But you have a very durable assembly here, very durable receiver. I've had great success with these things. Okay, so here's your battery connection for your 3.7 battery. This little port right here is for your motor. And there's an additional channel, 4 channels for another servo right here. Okay, so let's fire this thing up and I'll show you how it works. Now, you can use the WL Toys transmitter, or you can use a FlySky transmitter. They have the same protocol. I have a FlySky transmitter. I only paid $30 for this thing. It works great, has servo reversing, and all it has V-tail mixing or tailerons, whatever you want to use it for, and it works great. So here, let's fire this up. We're going to plug in the battery first, 3.7 battery. We get a flashing light on this, flashing light. Now, every time you use this thing, this is a procedure. Press down the bind button, press down the bind button over here, where my thumb's at, turn it on, turn it off. Now turn it back on, and you're ready to go. So here's my elevator control and rudder or aileron control, whichever you want to use it for. And here's my speed control. Okay, so that's a really nice little unit there. It works. I put it in various aircraft. Let me show you one here. Now, I'm going to turn off my transmitter and we'll go through the bind procedure again. Here's a little micro scale Japanese. Okay, now here's one of the planes I use it in. This is a little micro size profile type 0. You can see where I have the receiver mounted. Have my elevator on this side, rudder control on this side, and of course here's my motor and speed control. This is a geared 8x20 coreless 3.7 volt motor. Okay, so there you go. So we're going to hook this up. We're going to plug in our battery first. Okay, we got that. Let me secure the battery here. Battery secured. Okay, so now we're going to go through our bind procedure again. Remember, hold down the bind button, turn it on. Turn it off, release the bind button, turn it back on, and we're ready to go. Here's my elevator control and my rudder control. And of course my speed control. So there you go, guys. Cheap replacement for your micro-size aircraft. And one other thing I want to mention about these expensive ones here. These servos seem to go out. I have about 6 of these things where the servo's gone out or the speed control's burned out. And so far with this WL Toys I've had no problems, and the digital servos are a lot stronger, produce a lot more torque, and don't have a tendency to stall. So there you go, guys. Don't forget, you can buy them on eBay or AliExpress from $11 to $13. Great investment for your micro aircraft. Hope you can use this to your benefit. Good luck and good flying.